on.
First fish of the morning for me. First fish of the morning, right in the corner of the mouth. Nice little snook. Oh, is that your slam?
Feels like a snook.
No, it's a redfish. Started having fish moving all around us, and yeah. Hey, it's your slam. Trout?
Head shake.
That was a male. Those male trout grunt. They're part of the drum family. If people didn't know that, so that you hear them. Oh. Chad's using a cork, and I'm just free lining, and caught the same amount of fish, but we like to change things up right now. Oop. Boy, he's running from something. I think I got my redfish. That would be my slam. Yep.
Either a redfish or a snapping turtle.
That's a redfish. I don't know. Nah, I think it was just gold.
Yeah.
Well, we've moved around quite a bit, folks, today. We've caught some small trout, caught a couple of snook, but the tide is really slow. And so we've made a couple moves and found some fish. They're just not really cooperative. That's a pretty little red. We got dolphins behind us, and they're really clean. Not bad snook. I'll take that any day of the week. Stop it. I'm gonna let you go. Oh, there they come. Look at them. God dang it.